Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram connecting problem. Let's begin. So what you want to do first is you need to open your settings, and then you're going to look for Telegram within the app section. So once you found Telegram, you're going to select storage. Now there at the bottom, it's going to say clear cache. You're going to select clear cache, and then try to go back to the app and then see if the problem is fixed. Now, if that still does not work, then what you can try to do is you can try to delete the data. Then you go to the top right, then select clear local database. And then try to log in with your details again and then see if your problem is fixed. If that doesn't work, then you're going to go to your App Store or Google Play Store and you're going to look for Telegram. Now, after selecting Telegram, you're going to select Update. Once you're done installing the update, restart your device and then see if your problem is fixed. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.